Everybody, this is Mr. Brooks. This is a video talking about what we covered on Friday the 13th, spooky. Um, and so what we talked about was we need a new logo. I think we need a new logo for BVLA. So we have a lot of artists in the room. We have a lot of artists at the school. So I want to encourage you to please make us a new logo. We are unofficially the Rockets, and so you'll notice at the front of this I have pulled off like some rocket clip art, but that's just clip art, and I think we can do better. So the logo we were using, I think I pulled it up. The shared drive.google.com. So when we got to as a teachers, when we came back to school, we were presented with this logo right here, and I don't really like this logo very much. I think it's fine, but it's uninspiring, and so I hope that we can do better, and I think we should use some of our very talented artists for it. So this is what we're trying to replace, and unofficially we are the Rockets, so have at it. Math content starts Monday, so Monday you'll have lesson plans loaded up. When you see all of the stuff assigned, it is essentially due by Friday, so don't freak out, take a breath. I wouldn't jump ahead and try to get on it before the weekend because you never know what's going to change. Take it day by day, and just know, like, hey, it seems like a lot, but it's through the week. So if you pace yourself and you do a little bit each day, it'll be fine. Okay. Zoom schedule after next week. If you go to geometry to the stream right here, you'll notice I posted this tentative Zoom schedule. So not next week, but the week after, this is what I'm thinking. We'll have geometry meet at 8 a.m. Mondays and Wednesdays. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you can check in and come, and I'll have Zoom for teacher help if you want the one-on-one instruction. Okay, and then again, with holidays and stuff, it'll change. And if you want to give me feedback, either email or text or otherwise, that you like the schedule, don't like the schedule, either way, please do. If you're going to miss class, then you'll need to fill out a learning log. So this will take you to the learning log. So you'll fill out one of those and turn it in, and attendance for Zooms or the learning log will be 10 points each week. Okay, so that's where that is. And then I put the Zoom link there for you. The next thing is Delta Math. I think the next thing is Delta Math. So Zoom schedule after next week. The assignment for I'm going to talk about Delta Math and then the assignment for today. And so if you go to deltamath.com, here I'll pull it off of the geometry lesson plans up here, Delta Math. With the test tech assignment, you should have signed up for Delta Math. So I know we're still missing a few people that haven't got in. You need to make sure to get in today so that when we start, there's going to be nothing. There is, I'm sorry, that there'll be no problems. There is an assignment called the test assignment, which you guys, let's see, edit assignment. How do I see this? Let me get to see this. There we go. So it'll be these three. You have this assignment right here, and I went over. There's these timed ones where there's a time, and if you don't make the time, that's fine. I want you to try it, and these timed ones are just for fluency practice. So this is you just go through like this, and again, it's good to go fast, but it's really good to have that practice. It really is no sweat. I'm not trying to grade you. It'll tell you. I'm not trying to grade how good you are. I'm trying to get you to practice. I'm grading your practice. It'll tell you if you complete it or not. It'll say 100% or not 100%, and so it'll give you that feedback. Let's see. Can I? Yours will look a little different, but you can click show example or show solution. It's actually up here, but if you show the solution, it'll tell you how to do it, or if it doesn't show you, it'll list the steps. And so you have that option right there, or you can get with me. And I would totally use pen and paper if with this. If you struggle, like obviously, it's the lazy part of us doesn't want to get out pen and paper. But if you're ever struggling with these problems, I'm going to ask you: are you writing it down? If you can do it in your head, okay. If you're struggling, you need to write it down. If you turn it in late, it'll say 0 credit. You will get credit. Okay, so let's say that like you have a Delta assignment due Tuesday, and for whatever happens that week, you turn it in on Wednesday, and it says you get 0%. It's still red on your dashboard. I'm going to go back and give you full credit, so don't freak out about it. But do check Infinite Campus to make sure you're getting credit for your work done. Sometimes when I manually put in grades, I make mistakes, and you need to keep up with your grades and make sure that you're getting credit for what you do. Okay, so that's deltamath.com. We're going to use it a lot in the foundations unit for geometry and for algebra 2. The class assignment today is right here, end of intro week reflection. Look over your class slides. So I actually put that into the classwork. And here's the intro week reflection. You'll see 10 people have turned it in. And I'm going to click on this. So, fill out this form and then go to your class, and you can edit by putting little things at the bottom, little comments and questions and notes. If you don't have your slides posted in the group slides, please let me know, and I'll try to get that there as soon as possible. And, as always, I don't want you to put rude things or be mean to your classmates. So follow our class expectations, okay? And have a great weekend. Let's see, was there anything else? Next week we are 7:30 every day again, unless there's a chance I'm going to change it to 8 a.m., which I probably will. Just so we're not waking up so early. I'll still be here at 7 a.m. Yeah, so keep an eye out for that. And then after next week, we'll start that. I think it was Monday, Wednesday, we meet at 8.